So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to draw on screen on Zoom. So for that, first of all open your Zoom desktop application and then you guys will need to join a meeting, or even you can start your own by selecting this button. Now guys, select this option and you can see this share screen option right here. Now just select it and now you can choose whichever option you want to like. Let's say I want to choose this screen option and select it and then select on share button. So now guys, as you can see, it is showing my screen, and now what you have to do is just select this button right here which is called annotate. Now just select it and you can use these bunch of options right there. Let's say you want to select your mouse, or you can even draw on your screen like that, and you can use your even eraser to remove it, and you can undo and redo it again, and you can even clear out all the drawings that you have drawn on your screen. So guys, you can use these bunch of options right there which is available to you. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.